Hey guys, let's just unbox this infrared thermometer that I got on Amazon. So let me just remove here from the package. There we go. It comes with some documentation, a specification as well. Let me just put this aside. And here we go. That's the thermometer. It's an infrared one. It looks pretty nice. You just need to point to everything you want to measure and you're good to go, right? So here you just need to remove this. So you just pull it out so you can turn on the device. Let me just do this. So there's a battery inside already. And there we go. Let me see if I can turn it on. Not yet. There we go. I just press here and turn it on. So you see the measure in Fahrenheit, right? Then you press here. I see the dot there. There we go. And I see the temperature is scanning right now. So pretty easy to use. You just need to change here the units to Celsius, for example, and back to Fahrenheit. Pretty good. And mode, you can select the modes here and start using it, right? So pretty easy. There is no secret to use. Just point and press and you're good to go. So basically I'm pressing here, you see, and then I check the temperature, right? Pretty good. You can get yours on Amazon.